Now we're going to go ahead and properly repair this tub that's leaking from the bottom. They've caused leaks on the ceiling. So the proper way to use it is channel locks and an overflow remover. We're going to put it inside. We're going to twist it off. See how loose that is? Take it off. Now normally this overflow drain kits, the strainer in the bottom, it should have putty on it. So as you can see, there's very little bit of putty. Almost no putty. So we're going to go ahead and clean it off a little bit. Very little bit of putty. So aside from the fact that it was loose, there's actually no putty on it, very small amount of putty. We get the putty. You want to get a nice little bead. Twist it. So when you put the bead, you want to make sure you go all around with it. So you see I got a little bit missing here. Always get a little bit more putty. This is to repair a leak on the overflow drain kit. Put some more putty, even it out. Now this part gets tricky. Sometimes you have to line it up correctly. When you see the drain, it has to be lined up correctly, and the washer has to be lined correctly. And when you put it in, you have to make sure you don't cross thread it. You have to literally put it in there, and you'll feel it. Can't cross thread it, can't force it. You'll hear like a little click, and then it will start to go in smoothly, evenly. If when you're putting this on, if you're forcing it, you're not doing it correctly. So you gotta put it on evenly with your hand. Use your fingers. Turn it. And once you can't turn it with your hand no more, then the next step is to get the tool again, the pliers. Put it in. Now we have the putty around it. As I tighten it up, we're gonna see the putty come off on the sides. This is a good side. So you want to tighten it up as much as you can. Crank down on it. Tighter better, right? So once you've got it, then you saw some of this putty just come off on the sides. So the other bead, it happened to seal the sides. I'm going to go ahead and put the stopper, test it again, and we'll pass the next video. Make sure that everything's okay.